What you're about to witness is a journey that will challenge your idea of survival. Deep in the untamed wilderness, one woman has left everything behind. But she is not just surviving, she is building a new world from scratch. This is a story of incredible resilience, skill, and transformation. Stay with us to see what she will create from the heart of the jungle. The first task is to carve a space for herself in this dense, living world. With methodical determination, she begins to clear the earth. The ground must be prepared for the foundation of a new beginning. She gathers wood, the essential building block for her future shelter. The work is demanding, requiring both strength and patience. As the clearing grows, so does her resolve. She continues to shape the landscape to her will. With the initial labor done, a sense of accomplishment settles in. The forest itself seems to watch, a silent observer of her progress. The textures of the wild are a reminder of her solitude. Life thrives here in countless forms. She moves through this ancient world with a newfound purpose. A quiet confidence now marks her expression. She has found a rhythm in this wild place. Her journey continues deeper into the heart of the forest. In a secluded spot, she finds what she has been looking for. Bamboo, a versatile and strong material, crucial for her next project. A moment of rest, a brief pause in the relentless work. The meticulous task of cutting each piece to length continues. She uses leverage and ingenuity to clear the base of a large tree. Her ambition now is to build upwards, towards the canopy. She begins constructing a small platform against the ancient trunk. Using natural vines, she lashes the wooden frame together. The structure slowly takes shape, a testament to her skill. Having finished the frame, she descends from her perch. The bamboo she prepared will become the walls of her small shelter. Piece by piece, she fits the bamboo into the wooden frame. The walls are becoming a solid, protective barrier. The small shelter is nearly complete. She tests the integrity of her work, ensuring its strength. The finished structure stands, a small but significant victory. A look of quiet pride for what she has built with her own hands. The fine details reveal the care put into its construction. But her journey is not over. She walks on deeper still. Her face shows a mix of exhaustion and satisfaction. For her next project, she needs leaves from the palm trees. She expertly climbs the trunk to harvest the large fronds. She carries the bounty of the palms back to her chosen site. A new shelter begins to take shape, this one a simple lean-to. The large leaves are layered to create a waterproof roof. With the basic structure complete, she must now find sustenance. She forages for edible plants, her knowledge of the forest evident. The jungle provides for those who know where to look. The biodiversity here is astounding. She continues to gather what she needs. Even the trunk of a banana tree offers valuable resources. She prepares the leaves for cooking or storage. She carries her harvest back to the temporary shelter. The leaves are laid out inside her small hut. She digs a fire pit, preparing for the evening meal. More bamboo is cut, this time for cooking utensils. The wild greens are washed and prepared for the fire. She continues to improve her shelter, adding a bamboo feature. The finished hut is a masterpiece of natural construction. With her work done, she takes a moment of quiet satisfaction. She prepares a fire to cook the food she has gathered. The vegetables are cooked inside sections of bamboo over the hot coals. She patiently tends to her meal. Finally, she can enjoy the fruits of her labor. The simple meal is a rewarding end to a long day. A look of pure contentment and peace. But survival requires constant effort. She ventures out again. She has found a more permanent shelter, a cave. She begins gathering bamboo to make her new home more comfortable. The bamboo forest provides an abundance of material. She brings her harvest back to the cave entrance. She meticulously cleans and prepares each piece of bamboo. These will be used to build a floor or sleeping platform. She now seeks smaller branches for a different purpose. She whittles the branches with practiced skill. Back at the cave, she begins to assemble her new creation. The purpose of the device is not yet clear. She seems to be crafting a tool of some kind. With her creation finished, she sets off from the cave. At the entrance to the cave, a new project begins. She starts to build a wooden frame. This will become a protective awning for her cave dwelling. Each piece of wood is carefully shaped and fitted. She works to make the frame strong and stable. The structure is secured with natural bindings. The frame is complete, ready for its covering. She gazes at her work, planning the next step. She returns to the forest to gather leaves and branches. This foliage will become the roof of her awning. She carries the materials back to the cave. She begins to layer the branches onto the wooden frame. The roof begins to take shape, providing shade and shelter. The final touches are added to the leafy roof. Exhausted but proud, she surveys her finished work. Inside the cave, she prepares the ground for a sleeping area. The floor is leveled and cleared of debris. This will be her new, more permanent home. The space is now ready for the next phase. The cave has been transformed into a secure and sheltered dwelling. She continues to improve the interior, digging to level the floor. She unearths a small, curious stone. The cave walls hold a quiet, ancient beauty. Outside, she prepares bamboo slats for the floor. A simple but effective framework is laid down. She prepares to place a water container inside. The ground is carefully flattened before the flooring is installed. The bamboo slats are laid down, creating a clean, dry floor. The flooring is meticulously adjusted for a perfect fit. She sits on her new floor, pleased with the result. Now, she begins work on the roof of the awning. Large banana leaves are layered over the frame. This will provide excellent protection from the rain. The final leaves are put into place. Small branches are used to weigh down the leaves. Her shelter is complete, a true wilderness home. Inside, she can finally rest in comfort and security. She gathers dry wood to make a fire for the night. The kindling is carefully arranged. The scene appears to have a description error in the source. As night falls, the cave offers a sanctuary of dim light. Outside, the campfire crackles, a beacon in the darkness. The warmth of the fire provides comfort and safety. She enjoys a simple meal cooked in bamboo and drinks fresh water, also from a bamboo cup. Inside the cave, she stretches before settling down to sleep. She finds peaceful rest after a day of hard labor. The next day, she continues to improve her camp. She prepares more materials for another structure. A new shelter is built, meticulously thatched with leaves. The process is slow but rewarding. Every detail is attended to with care. The shelter expands, becoming more robust. She pauses to admire her nearly finished work. The completed hut is a testament to her perseverance. She continues to reinforce and perfect her creation. Now, she must search for food once more. Using a long pole, she harvests papayas from a tall tree. Next, she gathers coconuts, another vital source of nutrition. Her resourcefulness ensures she will not go hungry. In the quiet solitude of the forest, she gathers wild greens. She ventures deeper, always searching, always learning. At a new site, she begins to build yet again. As night falls, the fire becomes the center of her world. She cooks her evening meal, a ritual of survival. She skillfully opens a coconut, a refreshing treat. She savors the simple, hard-won flavors of the wild. The fire is carefully tended, a vital source of warmth and light. She sits in quiet reflection by the glowing embers. The darkness is held at bay by her small, brave fire. In the safety of her cave, she prepares for sleep. The flickering candlelight casts long shadows on the walls. She drifts off to sleep, safe in the shelter she created. Another day brings another task, another challenge. She finds solace in the deep, peaceful sleep of exhaustion. Night after night, the cave is her sanctuary. By the fire, she finds a moment of peace in her solitary existence. In the quiet glow, she is the master of her own world. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Wild Andrea for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.